spot, but okay. Plenty of lines to choose from. I think total left. Right here. Yep, that was, I was doing a lot of clutch. I'm basically doing clutch with my middle finger right now. Well, I'm stuck on something. Whew. Another break point. Another break point. Give me some water. Probably put a little water on the bike. Help it. Even that little bit will just help cool the bike off. So continue. Woohoo! Try a stand. I should have went up the ramp. I don't know what I was thinking. Jesus. I'm so tired. Shit. First drop. It was a easy drop. Whew, just some fuel. Over that direction. Got up, just took a little work. Oh, we're there. I think this is the start. For me, the exit. Yep. How's it going?
I think I missed the approach on that one.
Yeah, it's literally in front of me here. I don't know who put those rocks there. They weren't there before. People get all scared about riding their bike into a truck, but Whew. Ugh. As I was saying, people get all worried about riding their bike up the ramp into their truck. It's like, did you just see what I came up? Did you see what I just came up? Riding a smooth ramp with traction, because it's graded, you know, up into a truck is the least of my scare. Wow. Wow. That was a great ride. Yeah, the bottom of the exhaust is a little dinged. I have it pushed into the frame a little. It's melted the plastic skid plate. Yeah. Guess I'll ask Gary how much for a two-stroke pipe. Maybe buy two if they're reasonable. Until I guess there's a fix, and then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and plug the ends, heat it up, pump some air in, heat it up, and try to get some of the dings back out, you know. Oh well, it's not hurting anything right now. It's not too smashed in. It was naturally a little bit flat, I believe, anyways, on the bottom. So let's just say it's a lot more flat now. So come on, Gary, make us a aluminum skid plate so it wraps around. I'll pay full price, man. $250. I'll buy one. Do it, Gary. Come on. Because us guys in the boulder field, rotor protection, awesome skid plate, maybe even like a nice billet chain guide, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it, you know. Let's do it. And maybe some like carbon fiber case, you know, case protection. That'd be nice. So yeah, Gary, come on, man. Anyways, everyone take care. Hopefully you enjoyed my struggle going up Independence Trail. You all have a good one and take care. More importantly, like I always said, get out there and ride. And as Morgan would say, your dirt bikes!